Looks cute. Bro, it just brought me. Turn on for no reason. Instead of just shutting up. Okay, sorry. So we're gonna play something else. Since some people don't like Roblox and some people do, we're gonna play Rec Room. Yeah, Rec Room. So subscribe to me, subscribe to my channel, Bunny Star Gaming, baby. And let's head into this video. We're back, baby. Anyways, we're going to see. And my friend was here, so I just joined him. So what is this? I mean cat. I was me cat not so bad. Okay, what the heck is it? Bro, what the heck is this? Okay, he only has one thing. Wait, I can't jump over this? That's weird. I wonder if I can close this. Ugh. Oh, that doesn't work. Somebody tell me, because I don't understand. I don't understand. Darn it! What the heck? Okay, what the heck? Reset. Okay, 130. Okay, I can't even. That's not even high. 7? Bro. I gotta do this with double trick. Oh god. 85. Oh my god. There's no backside, so I don't know what to do. Is this something for decoration? Okay, that's just for decoration. Oh god. Okay, sorry about that. Anyways, let's see what's this. Okay, I can see outside. Okay, sorry, my mom was. No, let me out. Oh, I'm panicking. Let me out. Okay. Okay, so. God! Okay, I'm back. I just had to get dressed. Anyways, let's see this thing. Is it a circus role play? This is a circus. Wedding role play? Yeah, me. We're just gonna bite. No, come here. Come on, baby. Okay, sorry. Okay, it's alright, guys. Okay. What's that sound? Oh no. these pommies? Where is there two pommies? Da 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 What's this? Comment, what is this? Oh. Stop. She's doing what I do. No, I do it when she's not there. I don't know. I do that when she's not around, not when she is around. Oh, sorry, guys. No. Okay, this is gonna take a long time. I found this thing, and it says free fly, but I can't. Ooh, this is getting tiring. Let's just, I'm Spider-Man. Just keep going. Just keep going. Don't stop. Don't stop until you're done. We're almost there. I can see the light. Oh my God. That would take forever. Oh God. Oh. Now what? Can I fly? Let's just keep jumping. Good. Do I have to jump? Okay. Okay. Scared, but I can do this. Mama said I was. Ow, my leg. My leg. Ow, ow, ow. It's broken. I can't move. Ow. Wait a minute. Somebody just made me a car with a walk. Oh, I was about to climb that thing. So we're just gonna come over here. I wonder what this is. I'm gonna go in. Sit. Ooh, I don't know if this is actually worth. Dun dun dun. Ah, I'm about to fall out. Ah. Huh? Bye bye.